Hey, it's Gary McCoy at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and I'm going to tell you right now, a lot of people don't have the budget for today's boats. I'm going to tell you, they're worth every penny that you're spending on them. But in some cases, you're looking for a used boat. And you know what? I'm going to get the general manager, Ben Clemens, here at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. Ben, I want you to walk us through this real quickly. If I'm in the market for a brand new boat, can I trade in my old boat?
Yes, and I would say probably 60–70% have trade boats. And yeah, we do very well with them. You have about 5 years into this deal is where people want to trade most of their boats. So anyway, we have a program. If you come in, we look at your boat, we do a full check, compression on the engine, everything, see what's going on. Then we come up with a number that we're giving you and we go from there.
Okay, now that boat is obviously for sale.
That's for sale immediately.
And you're going to get some pretty good discounts when you do that, because not only, you know, are you getting a boat that's not brand new, but you're getting a boat that you've actually inspected.
Right, and it's like all cars, trucks, and you have little odds and ends. They fought the bugs in the new boat, and they took the hit. Everybody says recreational, you lose it, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, they take the hit on that, and you buy good boats.
Now, what about different kinds of boats? I mean, do you see more bass boats?
Everything.
Duck boats?
Duck boats. I would say there's more bass boats and ski boats trade in than anything.
Okay, so what's the process, Ben? If I'm in the market right now, I'm looking for a used boat. Just come by, you'll walk me through what?
Come by, we have the right corner of our lot out here is nothing but trades. And we have gone through them, compression checked the engine, all safety stuff has to work on a boat before we let it go. Running lights, tail lights, brake lights, brakes on the trailer if they have it. We sell all our used stuff as is, but it has been gone through. You're not going to buy a used boat, not have a switch you got to fix here or there or something, but that's the reason you're not spending $60,000. You're buying a good boat that you have to do some odd and ends to them, but it works great. And people love it, and a lot of times they'll buy a boat that they already know who somebody has owned it.
Now, what about these previously run like demo boats and stuff like that you've got?
Yeah, it's a whole different world. We run about 4 demos a year. We get them in December and January. And it's normally us, you, the sales, and a couple of us using promotions, demo and all. And we sell them at the end of that year. They're 2018 models, and they're sold as a brand new boat, full warranty from that minute on. And most of them has been used 3 hours every other Thursday on Cross Lake. They're
40 to 50 hours
40
max.
to 50 hours, and they're sold as brand new.
New warranty?
New warranty. You got a bad battery, it's all brand new. It's just like you bought off at showroom floor, and you're gonna save $6,000 to $10,000 on the demo boats at any time.
Fantastic. Come by, talk to Ben, any one of the salespeople here. They'll walk you through it, whether you're looking for a used boat, maybe you want to trade in your boat, or you're looking for one of these great demo boats. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 4306 East Texas in Bossier City.